Okay, so this is also trying to get us to use unit circle, although it gives us a tangent value, which we're a little less familiar with, and it's backwards, and that usually in unit circle it gives you the angle and asks for the ratio, and in this case it gives me the ratio and asks for the angle. And this question is going to be quicker if you do memorize tangent values, but if you don't, it's okay. Um, so you really don't want to just completely guess and check uh, that tangent is sine over cosine. You don't want to just try an angle and see if it works and try an angle, see if it works. You want to at least have some educated guesses. So using that all students take calculus, and this is a positive one, it either has to be in quadrant 1 or 3, or in this case it will be quadrant 1 and 3. There's only 3 locations we memorize, so without a calculator it's going to have to be one of those 3. And I guess you could do guess and check at this point. If you tried those, those wouldn't work, and this would, which should make sense because sine and cosine are equal at 45 degrees, pi over 4 radians. So if they're equal, anything divided by itself is going to be 1. And then a nice little trick with tangent values is directly across the unit circle will always have the same tangent value. But if you don't know that, then you can still figure it out because sine and cosine are both the same thing again. They're both negative square root of 2 over 2. So you can divide those and see. This would be 225, and this would be 5 pi over 4. So you can make that question quite a bit longer and quite a bit harder. The more you know about tangent, the more you know about the all students take calculus, knowing that tangent values are the same across the circle. There's lots of ways to speed this question up, but at the end you need to be able to find those locations where tangent is positive 1.